Hello, everyone. Thank you for returning to our program. We're excited to have you listen in to our introduction to all of the new things we have going forward with the Real Talk Youth Impact Program here in Las Vegas, Nevada. My name is Cherie Cornell. I'm the executive director and founder, and I'm looking forward to changing the lives of the kids here and across the nation. And it appears that you are too because you're looking at this video. What I want to start with is that we have our monthly program, which is our main piece of the program, and it is once a month, the first Tuesday of the month, and we are videoing right now because of the pandemic, so we are virtual. So what we have under the Real Talk Youth Impact Program umbrella, we've created what we call the Real Talk Academy, and we will unveil up to 3 programs within the next 6 to 7 months. That's the idea. So hopefully we can get all this done with your help and move it forward so we can start changing more lives in our community and across the nation. So let me start under the Real Talk umbrella, the Real Talk Youth Impact Program, Real Talk Academy umbrella, that is. So the first Real Talk Academy program is the Career Prep Program. You saw a little piece of what the intro program is about. Well, I'm going to share with you a little more in depth so you can have a bigger understanding, and hopefully I can answer all your questions. So the first piece of the Career Prep Program, it involves at least a minimum of 5 kids in a class, an introduction class. And those kids would be available for those instructors like yourself who would be willing to teach a class from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. You pick the day, Monday through Thursday. It is an hour and a half to you to volunteer your time and share how you became the person that you are in your career. You share how you evolved, how you got there, what it takes, how much money you make, because you know those kids are going to be asking how much money you make. So all the things that you had to do in order to get to your career. We just want you to give them the information and let them make sound decisions at that point to decide if they want to go to the next level, which is the curriculum course regarding your career. So the first intro class is just an hour and a half of you sharing your story, and it's a question and answer type situation. From there, if these kids are serious about it, then they can move on to the next class. Now, you don't have to teach the curriculum. You can just teach and opt to teach the intro class online because you don't have time or just the situation is not good for you right now. So if you're good with just teaching an hour and a half, whatever day you choose, Monday through Thursday, that's fine. So when we go from the curriculum course, oh my God. Hello, and thank you again for returning to the Real Talk Youth Impact Program. My name is Cherie Cornell. I'm the founder and executive director here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I thank you for watching too our intro video in reference to our career prep classes. I'm excited to see the police. Oh my God. Welcome back, and thank you again for returning to the Real Talk Youth Impact Program video in reference to our unveiling of our new programs. My name is Cherie Cornell. I'm the executive director of the Real Talk Youth Impact Program here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm excited to express to you all of the new things that are evolving in the Real Talk program. Well, we've got a lot of things happening. The first part of our program is the main part, which I'll explain to you. It is our monthly program. It is the Change One meetings. We do that the first Tuesday of every month, and we go from 4:30 till about 7. We are now virtual because of COVID-19, and we're excited though that we have so many different new programs to unveil. With that said, let's jump right into our subcategory, which is we're calling the Real Talk Academy. We have 3 new programs that we would love to unveil within the next year. But as of right now, our first one that we are going to unveil October of this year is the Real Talk Prep classes. And the Real Talk Career Prep classes will involve an hour and a half once a week in whatever curriculum or career that you are teaching. Now, the once a week at an hour and a half will be from Monday through Thursday, whatever day you choose. And all we're asking for the intro class is for you to share your story about how you became the person that you are in your career, how you got there, what it takes, the do's, the don'ts, the ethical standards, things of that nature, how much money you weigh, because you know that the kids are going to know that. So you just share your story. There's a minimum of 5 kids per class, and it will be all online. And you just share your story for an hour and a half and let the kids answer any question or ask any question that they may have of your career. Now, if you're seriously interested in continuing to be involved and want to take it a step further, what we have next is our curriculums. So we have an intro class about what you do, and now we can move it to the next level and teach a curriculum course, which involves, again, an hour and a half of your time, Monday through Thursday. You pick the day, and you can now teach a curriculum. We would have to obviously have your curriculum submitted to us so we can see exactly what you have for the kids. And then you can start. We have a background check, of course, that entails with the program. Obviously, we have to do things, making certain that everything is legitimate. And then you can be prepared to teach the course online. And you can do a hybrid class where you teach one online, which would be academics. The next one would be in-house, where they can come to your facility. And then you can do the following week, a hybrid class again. So you make the choice on how you want to do it. If you want to have it all at your facility for 6 weeks, that's fine too. Just remember, it has to be from 6 to 7:30 p.m. So we have another program also that we would love to unveil. It's going to be the leadership program. And the leadership program involves up to a year. And we encourage people like yourself to get involved with our leadership program. Because our kids are going to be learning, accountability, integrity, character building, punctuality, all the different things that are needed when we join the careers that we choose, and also in the corporate sector, so the kids can be informed properly of the do's and the don'ts and how to behave once they become leaders in their career. So that's another sector we're going to unveil eventually. And then the third sector of the Real Talk Academy is going to be our career prep program. And that too is going to be up to a year long. And we look for people like yourself to join on board with that, because there might be kids where you taught the intro class or maybe the curriculum course, and then now this kid wants to be in the career mentoring program. Maybe you can jump into that as well and be a mentor to that same kid you taught in the curriculum. So the sky's the limit with this program, and the kids, are going to do very great things once we allow them to be afforded these opportunities. We provide them the things that create positive change, and we're just so looking forward to get you guys involved in sharing your expertise with our kids and making positive changes in their lives. So please join us in any 3 of these community projects that we have going on right now. We're going to unveil them within the next 7 to 8 months. Keep us in your eyes and your ears, and keep us on your radar to get involved. The last part of what I want to share with you is, once these kids graduate from the career mentoring program, from the leadership program, from the, as far as the career prep program, when they finish the classes, their curriculums, when they finish the classes with that, they will get certificates. We want to continue to start building the resume for them in their future. We want to make sure that we give them the opportunities to change their lives. These certificates, of course, will collaborate with all the different people like yourselves when they do get their certificates, in reference to all of our collaborators. Once they graduate from or finish the career prep classes, we will have your logo and the Real Talk logo on the certificate, showing that they completed your intro class or your curriculum course. So we will love to have you get engaged with us. The ages for all 3 of these programs is ages 13 to 18. That is our minimum age, 13 to 18. However, keep in mind though, for the entire program, our main monthly program, our ages are 8 to 18. But 13 years old is the starting point of us creating the platform for these kids to learn about careers, and being a part of the Real Talk program, and being a part of making them see different things that they're going to need to know as they become adults. So if that's you, I would love to have you join our forces in creating world changers. If you do not have information on us, please reach out to the people who've sent this information to you, as well as taking this information down. We are Real Talk Youth Impact Program. You can reach us on our website at www.realtalk YIP as in Paul.org, or you can reach out to us via phone 702 625 2417. We also have a sister agency. We are so excited about them as well. We have Real Talk El Paso. Please visit their website as well. It is www.realtalkep.org. We are looking to change the world, and we are also looking to provide every opportunity for a positive change for those kids across the nation. And we hope to have a Real Talk Youth Impact program in your state coming soon. So help us help you and these kids across the nation change the world. Thank you. Take care and God bless.